My name is Nikolai Ivanovich Didenko. I am the Doctor of Economics, professor at the High School of Business Engineering of Peter the Great St. Petersburg Polytechnic University. I am the head of the research laboratory System Dynamics and a mentor at the scientific school Technological Trends of the World Economy. Postgraduate students and researchers of the laboratory study current trends in the economic development of the world and forecast the economic dynamics of national economies in the context of global innovation and technological trends. The main direction of my scientific activity is the application of mathematical methods and models for the analysis and forecasting of processes of objects of world economy in the context of the main economic trends of the modern world economy. The scientific specialization is related to the theory and practice of applying mathematical methods and big data management. My scientific interests are related to the following problems. A. Estimating the technological achievements of countries around the world and estimating the factors of influencing the scientific and forecasting achievement of the country. In the second, development of mathematical models of economic processes in the world economy for the purpose of analyzing and forecasting the development of process options. And the third, development of mathematical models of economic development of national economies and integration associations of countries. My scientific interests are also related to Arctic research. I am interested in modeling international transport corridors and comparing the Northern Sea Route with other corridors using a mathematical model. I am also interested in developing models for forecasting the economic, scientific and technological development of the Arctic spheres. The development of circular economy technologies is also of interest. I am busy with my graduate student in research related to the analysis of the dynamic and trends of the world economy. For example, a comparative analysis of the healthcare systems of countries around the world and the impact of healthcare of economic growth. The development of small and medium-sized businesses in countries around the world and the influence of small and medium-sized businesses on economic growth. Studying the processes of international economic integration of countries around the world in Chinese concept of One Belt, One Road. The choice of research areas, for example, specific industry complexes or world markets within the research areas, is determined by the scientific interest of both the scientific school and the scientific interest of graduate students representing different countries of the world. Graduate students from Russia, China, Indonesia, Syria and Republic Cote d'Ivoire, Ethiopia and the Republic of Chad are currently conducting research on global economic problems in our scientific school. A distinctive feature of our education program in the scientific specialty world economy is the use of mathematical modeling tools for analyzing and forecasting processes in the global economy. The strength of the program is its focus on analyzing and forecasting current trends in the economic development of the world and estimating the role of innovative and technological achievement of the countries of the world in modern trends in economic development, taking into account the substantive economic and institutional aspects of the development of the world economy. Innovative and technological achievement of the world's countries in economic sector are the main sources of global economic growth at present time, and therefore analysis and forecasting of processes based on mathematical models form strong competencies of graduate students. The training of graduate students under the program means an increase in the number of competent specialists ready to get involved in the analysis and focusing on problem in various sectors of the world economy. Training and scientific work are based on the following principles within the framework of the World Economy Program. A. The principle of an individual approach to organizing the learning process and scientific work. B. The principle of compliance of the dissertation research topic within priority areas of development of science, engineering, and technology. C. The principle of scientific and academic mobility of graduate students, including their participation in a real project related to the focus of the scientific school of world economics and a multidisciplinary polytechnic university. The goal of the program in the world economy specialty is to develop graduate students' knowledge of the following subject of the world economy: the main institution of the world economy, trends and direction of development of the world economy, features of the international movement of factors of production with a dominant focus of factors of innovative and technological development, modern production, trade, monetary, financial, social, scientific, technical, economic, demographic processes of the world economy, modern problems of theory and practice of doing international business. Graduate students from Russia, China, Indonesia, Syria, Ethiopia, doing research under my scientific supervision. They doing research to identify trends in technological development in the world economy, analyze international financial markets in the context of economic development and the growth of competitiveness of national economies, estimate the influence of transnational corporations, small and medium-sized enterprises on the growth of the global economy, develop models and tools for analyzing the processes of the global economy, evaluate the effectiveness of innovation activities in countries and regions of the world. A group of graduate students is researching the international economic integration of countries in Chinese One Belt, One Road concept. The main requirements for graduate students are related to the use of mathematical modeling tools for the analysis and processes and objects in the global economy. The graduate students must have A. Knowledge of the basic theories of the development of the world economy and international economic relations, and B. Knowledge in the field of economic and mathematical modeling. A graduate student who chooses a program in the scientific specialty world economy will receive advantages in obtaining competencies related to method of analysis and forecasting of processes and objects of the world economy, and with an understanding of the specific of the current states of globalization of the world economy and possible prospect for its development. A graduate students who has successfully completed the program will have prospect and further research and educational activities related to the functioning of the global economy. Graduates of the World Economy Program can work in universities, in transnational companies, international financial organizations in banks, companies engage in foreign economic activity, as well as government bodies regulating international economic relations.